Now, of course, we're going to dive in deeper to what that actually is doing. We all know that if you do a workshop, why does a workshop work in generating referrals? Let's get into a little back and forth discussion. Why does a workshop work?
Gives you credibility.
A workshop gives you credibility. Tell me more about that.
Well, I think it promotes you as the expert in whatever the topic is or thing you're trying to do a workshop on. So it almost becomes ideally subconscious in nature, where when they start to think of X, Y, or Z thing, you naturally come to front of mind because that's what they associate and affiliate with that.
I love it. Very big insight. A workshop, actually, the idea of it, whether they show up or not, is creating you as the category authority on that. What else does a workshop do? Why does it work? Who has done workshops on this call? Okay, why did it work? I don't care if one person showed or two people. It's still work. Why?
The marketing about the workshop can generate referrals and exposure to your clinic. So that can have a positive.
Another sharp insight. Promoting the actual workshop could generate referrals, whether those people actually attend the workshop.
I think that's true. We do usually about one a month, and when I have patients that maybe didn't come to it or it really wasn't in their area of interest, they'll say, "Man, you guys are really busy. You're doing all these workshops. I just love it." So it's subtle marketing for us. It's great.
Yeah, it's intentionally subtle marketing, which works.